In this video, we are going to be running Alpha 1 Trader. I will take 10 trades. If you find that interesting, make sure you subscribe to the channel, turn the bell notification on, so you never lose a video just like this one. Also, if you want this binary option robot for yourself, right now I give 150% on your first deposit. So make sure you use promo code alpha1 150. I will leave it below the video and above the video at X. Below with the video is at YouTube, and also you find the link so you can join. So this is the thing. This is the newest binary option robot, and you can get a big boost starting with this one here right now. So if you're using Pocket Option Auto Trader, join this one also, because it's another broker and it's good sometimes to trade on more broker than one. Okay, plus I'm updating this quite a lot now and have different strategies, so you might like some of these ones also. So let's start up and let's see how we do. And there we have it. 11 trades, 6 winners, 5 losers, 55% win rate, $352 profit. That is good in my book. So if you want this binary option robot to yourself, you find a link above the video at X and link below the video at YouTube. And also remember to use the promo code to get 150% on your first deposit. So with that, have an amazing day.